Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool washer door won't open in 2026. So first of all, after a cycle ends, you just have to do nothing but to just wait for at least 1 to 3 minutes. The washer sometimes need time to cool down and release the lock electronically. Afterwards, you need to look through the door. If you still see water, the washer will not unlock. So in this case, you just have to run a drain or spin cycle in order to remove the remaining water. Now, after doing so, you can also perform a quick reset. So in order to do it, you need to unplug the washer and wait for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This particular reset is also going to basically reset the door lock system and the control panel itself. Afterwards, you just have to open the lower panel, locate the manual release tab near the door lock, and then you just have to pull it gently to unlock the door. Only use this if the door is stuck after the power reset. Now, even after following all of these steps, the issue still persists. In that case, you can just simply inspect the latch area. If the handle feels loose or misaligned, the lock may not disengage properly. So you can try gently pressing the door inward while opening it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.